Log into your Seers.ai account and access the dashboard. Go to Cookie Consent and select your domain. Click on the Next button. Then, go to Customize and you will find the Preferences bar. Under the Frameworks section, you will find Microsoft Clarity Consent API integration, also known as Consent v2. Toggle on to enable it. Click on the Save Changes button to implement your changes successfully. Now, go to your domain and inspect the page. Open the Console tab and reload the page with the empty cache and hard reload option selected. You'll see the page reload completely. In the console, write Type of Window. Clarity. This will check if the Clarity object is loaded. Next, interact with the cookie banner and click Allow All Cookies. You'll see that the argument for Consent v2 updates after this interaction, showing that all types of cookies are granted. Now, interact with the banner again and disable all cookies. The Consent v2 argument updates once more, showing that all cookies are now denied. Finally, open the banner again, go to Preferences, and allow only marketing cookies. You'll notice that the Consent v2 argument updates again, this time with marketing and necessary cookies enabled, while all others remain denied. This confirms that Microsoft Clarity Consent API is working successfully.